Okay, so my name is Jonathan Okoronko. I'll be one of the artists with the show for the exhibition Failure is the Key. The title of my work where I show for the Failure is the Key is Make a Gidon for Here. So the title Make a Gidon for Here be metaphorical for me because if we did Trotsky inside, we never did there the whole day, you know. At some point you for Gidon, at some point you for tell the mate say I for Gidon for here. So in a sense, the journey where you they take from point A to point B, they stop at the point where you talk the mate say make you Gidon. But then I also they look at the idea or the possibilities where they open up itself if you Gidon from the Trotsky. So initially my works always they revolve around machines, the way we they use machines, they facilitate on everyday activities, how we they go, they come, you know. Then to enter this conversation, I'll be more interested in Trotskys, you know. Trotskys way, you know, every day they come, they go, they come. If like Trotsky drivers go on strike, say they no go job, you know what will happen, you know. But then for this exhibition, I try look at them not just from a machine perspective, but also to look at the Trotsky space, or to look at the Trotsky as a space where they move from one place to another. So if you look the work where I present, they use the doors. So as they use the doors, you know, I see the doors as a kind of portal way, you know, they take enter the exit the Trotsky space, you know. Where even if you enter the Trotsky space, you still they live in the same space with a lot of people where they come from different places. Them too, then they wake up, they go where then they go. Then at a certain point, as you then them they journey, you know. At a certain point, you for let the mate know say you for Gidon for here. So I also they use that phenomenon as something where they describe the life journey of the Trotskys themselves. So then from the factory, them to then go through a lot of experiences. Some they come into Ghana like ambulances, like cargo vehicles, then reach at a certain point. Then also they go through another kind of transformation where they make them into Trotsky vehicles. Okay. In the context of the exhibition, the failure is the key. My interest in the Trotsky be at the point where, you know, they perform the set functioning for perform. So at a certain point, the Trotsky they break down, then they the fit function as Trotsky, then it become dead material for the world inside. So that be the point where scrap dealers they come into the picture, come take some parts out, come sell some parts, you know, make them like, you know, sometimes recycle them or something else. So failure is the key. I take failure of the Trotsky vehicles as a point where a lot of possibilities be very potential in producing the things that they take do my work. So I no go fit go use, or I know they want use Trotsky way already the job. I know they want use those use parts from those Trotskys. And they want use parts where they feel where they know they use, nobody they think about, then do the work. So this exhibition actually they embody or be something that they try extend that conversation already they have with the Trotskys, because my initial works they depict the broken down engines of these Trotskys, but then this one or they want try chat another discussion or conversation with the, like, you know, pertaining to the what they happen to the body and the space of the Trotsky at the point where it break down. Because if you go some mechanic shop, broken down Trotskys, then they use them as storage houses. you go some places, the chairs, then they use them as, reclining spaces, So these very multiple possibilities are the point where the Trotsky they fail. No? Be what are they look at with the work I exhibit for them. All right, thank you.